Greed. He farted! The dog farted!
Oh, it's 'cause he started working.
Tubby farted, I heard something. Okay, well, let's see what he does if I...
Oh no, this plant's gonna stab me.
You're dead. Use it.
He's a smart dog.
He is.
Ah.
He's like a shark. You're like, come on down. It's safe.
Alright, chill.
Oh my god. Oh god, my phone. Yeah, yeah. Evil. Let's check on my brother. Are you okay? You okay? You okay? He's not okay.
I'm fine.
Are you gonna go attack him again?
Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, I barely have one toe.
Where is he?
Let's go. Taking it.
Is he actually gonna follow you?
Let's go.
Yeah.
Get over here, you stupid dog.
Dude, he's not stupid. Wait, I'll get him. Come on, Toby. Is that it?
Oh, he's good. If he's not normal, he's good.
I guess we're going upstairs. I guess we're going upstairs. So. Oh, that's my dog attacking my brother. YouTube and thanks for watching.